In this tutorial, I will teach you how to delete stake account. So please watch the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on stake, you can use the link in the description and you may get reward and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the stake application, just go to your profile right here on the bottom right corner. And as you can see right here, you will just click your icon right here on the top side and your name so that you can go to your account settings. And under your account settings, as you can see on the bottom part, there will be a close account button right there, and you can just click continue to request a account deletion. And after you click continue, as you can see, you will need to wait for next 24 hours until the stake support team approve your request. And yeah, that's it. You just need to wait for 1 day, and that's how you can delete your stake account. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.